In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start tracking your time using Time Doctor in just 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for anyone who's looking to improve their productivity or ensure accurate time management at work. Let's get started. First, you'll want to launch the Time Doctor application from your device. Whether you're using a desktop, laptop, or mobile, make sure you have the app installed. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official Time Doctor website, download the version suitable for your device, and install it. Once you've successfully launched the application, you'll need to log in. If this is your first time using Time Doctor on this device, enter your credentials to access your account. But if you've used it before, there's a good chance your login details are already stored, and you can glide right in without any hassle. Now comes the part where you select a project or task to track. This is particularly relevant if you're working on multiple projects and need to attribute your time correctly. Depending on your organization's setup, your admin might have already listed tasks for you to select from. If a project or task selection is required, simply pick the one you wish to track from the list provided. With your task selected, you're ready to track time. Simply click the play button you see on your screen, and Time Doctor immediately begins recording your work time. It's intuitive. When you're ready to take a break or switch tasks, click the pause button. And if you decide to switch to another project, just hit the play button for that specific task, and the timer will automatically update. For those who prefer using web-based tracking, here's an alternative approach. Open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, use the search bar to look up Time Doctor. When you find it, click Add to Chrome to install the respective browser extension. This extension will integrate seamlessly with various third-party apps. After adding Time Doctor to Chrome, you'll notice a new Start Timer button integrated within your tasks in any supported app you use. This button provides a straightforward way to begin tracking your time. Once you hit Start, the button will switch to Stop Timer, indicating that the tracker is active. Your tracked time will automatically sync with Time Doctor, compiling comprehensive reports that allow you to monitor your productivity. This ensures you have an accurate reflection of your work habits and can adjust accordingly if needed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to start tracking your time effectively using Time Doctor. Remember, consistent and accurate time tracking can significantly enhance your productivity, giving you greater control over your work projects. Thanks for joining me, and happy time tracking.